Okay, good morning. I want to share a strategy which I've been using to trade futures, and I believe if you learn this strategy, you can be profitable. Okay, I'm using the Bybit exchange because I use Bybit to trade due to low trading fee. Okay, now this the first of all, what I do is I go to the indicator section. Okay, let me just choose a trade, a market, for example. Let me just click on HBR. Okay, let me click on HBR to view the chart. Okay, now this is the chart for HBR. I'm on the 4 hours time frame, but that's not what I'm looking for. So I'll first of all go to the indicators session. This is indicators session. Okay, I'll click on it, and I will click on these indicators. Okay, and then I'm looking for moving average exponential, this one. Okay, so I will click on it to expand it. So now two moving averages is what I'm looking for here to set. So if I untick all this, let's say all these are untick first of all. If you open your own, the numbers here, okay, could be different. The numbers here could be different, so you will set it. So I'm looking to use two moving averages. One, I'm going to use 50 moving average. You can tap here to set your own. So 50, which is the yellow, I'll enable it. And I'm also going to put in 200 moving averages. 200 exponential moving averages. Okay, that is the purple here. I will now click on the dot here, so to enable it, then I'll click on confirm. Now I've set it. I'm only using moving averages for now. I'm not using any other indicator. So just that's exponential, moving average exponential is what I'm using for now. So just follow me through. So I'll go back. I'll go back. Now the chart is set. You can see the moving average. Now what I'm looking for sorry, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a scenario where the 50 moving average, which is the yellow, okay, which is the yellow here, crosses the 200 moving average, which is the purple, and now that is this point. So once this cross happens, it tells me that the market or the price of the particular asset is going to be an uptrend. So what I'll be looking for is an opportunity to long, that is to buy. Okay, now if you look at this 4 hours time frame, at this point the moving average, the 50, crosses the 200. Now you see that the price of the asset continue to go up. Okay, continue to go up, continue to go up. Okay, now at the point it crossed it, the price of the asset was, let me put the tab on this candle. Okay, it opened at 0.052, and then it closed at 0.05377. It opened at 0.05239. The highest the price went for that day was 0.05377. The lowest was 0.0487. So if you have entered the trade at this point, you would have made profit at this point here. Okay, that's 0. Then you now wait again. What are you waiting for again? You now wait again until price come down again, because it will be using the 50 moving average as a support. So at this point of when the price has come down again, you can buy again. You can see I bought at this point again. You can see that's why the Bybit exchange will stamp it when you buy it. You can buy again, and then you now ride the profit to somewhere up again here. Okay, that's 0.04996. We now take profit as upper here again. Then you wait again, price comes down to 50 moving average, using it as support again. Okay, to use it as support again, when the price comes, here it attempt to break it, but it didn't break it. It was still hovering around it. Then you can buy again, and then you ride and take your profit again. So you can keep doing it like this. Okay, can keep doing it like this. even at this particular point when it tends to break the 50, you can see there was a reversal. There was a reversal. That means the price quickly reversed back again. Then you can now wait and see whether it will act as support again. Now it's acted as support, you can easily buy again here. You would have made profit at this point here, you know, depending on the leverage and the margin you are using. Okay, so that is the strategy. Now what about for shorting? If you want to short the market, you know, so if you want to short the market, we can go back. This thing works for different time frames. It works for this is 4 hours. Now if you want to short it, let's go back and see this chart. Okay, let me use 1 hour now. Okay, and go back to, let's see where, you know, so the reverse is the case for selling, that's for shorting. Okay, let me use 15 minutes. Let me use 15 minutes. Okay, now for 15 minutes, let me use 15 minutes when the price broke the moving average. Okay, now the price broke down the moving average here. You can see where it went down, but the coming down wasn't strong enough. You can see it wasn't strong enough, so you don't actually short the market here. You have to wait. You know why? Because in the higher time frame the market is in an uptrend. Okay, that's why. So now we look for example of a short, of where you can short. That means where you can sell. Okay, where you can place your short position. Let me look for another coin. Okay, let me look for this. Let me use this coin EOS. Okay, let's see 4 hours. 1 hour time frame. Oh, okay. Okay, now you see here, the yellow, which is the 50, crossed the 200 at this particular point. That was a confirmation of a downtrend. You can see immediately it happened, the next candle was not able to break it through, then the market started coming down. That's the opportunity for you to short. You can take your profit at this particular level. Okay, now you now wait again. You know, if the price gets back to the same yellow line here, if you get back to the same yellow line here and did not break it after several attempts, then you can also short it again. But at this point it broke through it here, so here you would have put your, if you are to short it here, you would have put your stop loss at this angle here, so that in case it breaks it, you are not losing much. Okay, then you will now, you know, you now wait. Let's see how it acts when it gets to the 200, because the 200 will also act as a resistance. Now here the 200 is acting as a resistance. No, you can short it at 200, hoping for it to get down sorry, hoping for it to get down and use 200 here as a support. Then you take your profit. Okay, that's how you keep, you know, shorting until you see a cross of the yellow over the purple. Then an uptrend is confirmed. Then you are looking for a buy opportunity, because you see from there the market started going up. And for as long as this coin is, any opportunity you are looking for should be what? A long opportunity, not a short up, because the market has resumed an uptrend. So this is a simple strategy that I use to profit in the market. You see, that's what I use to place these trades that you are seeing here. Okay, you can see this one. I'm already on 38 point something percent here, 38%. I've taken profit from this trade up to 3 times this morning. Okay, it's the same strategy I'm using. So this is strategy number 1. The second strategy, I'm going to, you know, do a video on that, and I will share it later. So just stay tuned. Thank you.